Do you ever wonder why dental hygiene is so important? It's a question that may cross our minds as we stand in front of the mirror, toothbrush in hand. Dental hygiene is a cornerstone of our overall health and well-being. It's not just about having a bright, confident smile, it's about preventing the common dental problems that many of us face. Cavities, gum disease, and bad breath are just a few of the issues that can arise from poor dental hygiene. These aren't just minor inconveniences, they can lead to more severe health problems if left untreated. But the good news is that these issues can be prevented. With proper dental hygiene, we can keep our mouths healthy and our smiles bright. So the next time you reach for your toothbrush, remember it's more than just a routine. It's an essential part of taking care of your health. This brings us to the question, how exactly do dentists clean our teeth? So, what really happens during a professional teeth cleaning session, you might ask? Well, it's not as daunting as it sounds. The process is generally smooth and involves several key steps. Firstly, there's a physical examination. This is where your dentist checks your teeth and gums for any signs of trouble. It's an important first step to ensure your mouth is ready for a good clean. Next comes the removal of plaque and tartar. These are the pesky substances that can build up on your teeth and cause problems down the line. Your dentist will use special tools to gently scrape away these unwanted guests. After that, it's time for teeth polishing. This step helps to remove any remaining plaque and also gives your teeth a nice shine. Following this, there's a thorough flossing session and finally, a fluoride treatment. This is the cherry on top that helps to protect your teeth until your next visit. Now that we have a general understanding of the process, we can delve into each step in more detail. The first step in a dental cleaning session is the physical examination. This is no ordinary inspection, my friends. Here, your dentist becomes a detective of sorts, using a small mirror as their magnifying glass to check the corners of your mouth that are hard to see. They are on the hunt for signs of oral diseases such as gingivitis or cavities. This mirror is their trusty sidekick, helping them to spot any visible signs of trouble early on. It's like a spotlight on a stage, illuminating any potential villains in the form of plaque, tartar, or tooth decay. This step is crucial because catching these issues early can prevent more severe dental problems down the line. It's the dental equivalent of a stitch in Time Saves 9. Once the dentist is satisfied that everything looks normal, they move on to the next step. After the initial examination, the dentist begins the process of removing plaque and tartar. This is a crucial step in any dental cleaning procedure as it helps prevent gum disease and cavities. So, how does the dentist accomplish this? Well, they use a tool known as a scaler. This may sound intimidating, but the scaler is nothing more than a small handheld device with a hook at the end. It's designed to reach areas of your mouth that a toothbrush can't, specifically around the gum line and between the teeth. Now let's talk about plaque and tartar. Plaque is a soft, sticky substance that builds up on your teeth over time. It's full of bacteria, and if it's not removed regularly, it can cause tooth decay and gum disease. Tartar, on the other hand, is hardened plaque. It's much tougher to remove and can't be brushed away with a toothbrush alone. That's where the scaler comes into play. The dentist uses the scaler to scrape away the tartar, usually starting at the gum line and working their way down the tooth. This process might be a bit uncomfortable, especially if you have a lot of tartar buildup. But remember, it's all for a good cause. Removing plaque and tartar is paramount in maintaining a healthy mouth. But what happens if plaque and tartar aren't removed? Well, they can lead to gum disease, a condition where the gums become inflamed and bleed easily. If left untreated, gum disease can progress to a more serious condition called periodontitis, which can lead to tooth loss. Cavities are another concern. These small holes in your teeth are caused by the acid produced by the bacteria in plaque. By removing plaque, the dentist is not only cleaning your teeth but also preventing potential cavities. With the plaque and tartar removed, the dentist can now proceed to polish the teeth. This is another important step in the dental cleaning process as it leaves your teeth smooth and shiny, making it harder for plaque and tartar to stick to them in the future. Teeth polishing is not only about aesthetics but also about health. It's a crucial part of the dental cleaning process that serves a dual purpose. Let's delve into this fascinating practice. Imagine a high-powered electric brush buzzing away, coupled with a gritty toothpaste that tastes like a blend of mint and sand. This is what your dentist uses to polish your teeth. The high-speed rotation of the brush, along with the abrasive nature of the toothpaste, creates a powerful duo that can tackle any stubborn plaque or tartar that managed to escape the previous cleaning steps. Polishing the teeth isn't just about achieving that picture-perfect shiny smile, though that is a delightful bonus. The main objective here is to smoothen the surface of your teeth. A smooth surface is less likely to harbor plaque and bacteria, making it harder for cavities to form. In essence, polishing is a preventive measure, an extra layer of protection against tooth decay and gum disease. The gritty toothpaste used for polishing, often referred to as prophylaxis paste or prophy paste, is a special toothpaste prepared with a slightly abrasive material. This material gently scrubs the tooth surfaces, removing surface stains and leaving your teeth looking brighter and feeling incredibly clean. Ever wondered why your teeth feel so slick and smooth after a dental cleaning? You have the prophy paste to thank for that. But remember, teeth polishing at the dentist is not a substitute for your daily oral hygiene routine. Regular brushing and flossing at home are still your best defense against dental diseases. Consider teeth polishing as a deep cleaning service for your teeth, a thorough cleanup that your regular toothbrush cannot provide. As we conclude this segment, it's important to remember that while teeth polishing does give your teeth a shiny, clean look, its primary purpose is to set the stage for a healthier oral environment. It's part of an overall strategy to keep your teeth in top shape for as long as possible. With the teeth polished, it's time for the final steps: flossing and fluoride treatment. The last steps of the dental cleaning process are flossing and fluoride treatment. Flossing is more than just a chore your dentist nags you about. It's an essential part of maintaining optimal oral health. You see, even with the most diligent brushing, there are places your toothbrush just can't reach, and that's where flossing comes in. It's like a mini explorer, trekking into the wild spaces between your teeth, seeking out and removing hidden food particles and plaque. Now you might be thinking, okay, I get it, flossing is important, but what's this about fluoride treatment? Well, let me enlighten you. Fluoride is like a superhero for your teeth. It swoops in and strengthens your tooth enamel, the hard outer layer of your teeth, making it more resistant to decay. And the best part? This superhero doesn't ask for much. Just a few minutes of your time every 6 months or so during your dental cleaning session. In the form of a gel, foam, or varnish, fluoride is applied to your teeth, usually in a tasty flavor like bubblegum or mint. And voila! Your teeth are now armed and ready to battle against cavities. But don't be fooled into thinking that fluoride treatment is a one-stop solution to all your oral health woes. It's a part of a larger, comprehensive dental care routine. Regular brushing, flossing, and dental cleanings are all crucial to keep your teeth and gums in tip-top shape. So, there you have it, flossing and fluoride treatment. Two vital, yet often overlooked steps in the dental cleaning process. Together, they work to clean those hard-to-reach areas, protect your teeth, and prevent cavities. Remember, your teeth are not just tools for chewing. They're a significant part of your overall health and well-being, so give them the care they deserve. And that concludes a typical dental cleaning session. But why is it essential to have your teeth cleaned by a dentist regularly, you might ask? Well, the benefits of regular dental cleanings are manifold and crucial to maintaining your overall oral health. For starters, these cleanings are key in preventing dental diseases. You see, plaque and tartar can build up over time, leading to gum inflammation and cavities. Regular cleanings nip these issues in the bud, ensuring your mouth stays disease-free. Moreover, your teeth will always look their best. Stains from coffee, tea, wine, or tobacco can dull your smile. Regular cleanings help to remove these stains, giving you a gleaming, confident smile that can light up a room. Lastly, regular dental cleanings contribute to your overall oral health. They can help detect early signs of problems such as broken fillings and fractures, thus allowing for early treatment. Remember, a clean mouth is a healthy mouth, so don't forget to schedule your next dental cleaning appointment.